Hi there guys, this is Nikhil from GreedyTech, and in this video I am going to show you some of the must-have apps on your Yu Yunique. So guys, this is my Yu Yunique. So let's get started with the list. So the first app in our list is Hobo. So guys, this is just a quick timer. So you can set it at a maximum of 1 hour. And the beauty of this app is it's so simple to use. Simply swipe clockwise or anti-clockwise to reduce or increase the timer. And then you can simply press in the middle to pause it, press again to continue the timer. You have this reset to go back to your default value. So that's pretty much about this app. So the next app is disk usage. So there might have been some times when you get a message saying that your SD card or your internal storage is full and you don't know what's occupying more space. So in that case, this app will help you out. So it will give you a graphical representation of what's taking up space on your device. So as you can see, I have an internal storage of 4.7 GB. I have 1.5 GB free space. So it gives us a nice idea of what's occupying more space on your device. So guys, let's go to the next app. So the next app in our list is MX Player. So this is one of the first Android players or Android video players which had some great gesture features. So let me just show you that. So this is some random video. So to increase the volume or decrease it, I can simply swipe on the right side of the screen. And if I swipe on the left side of the screen, it will change the brightness. So there you have it. If I swipe left or right, it will seek the video. So these seem like some basic gestures, but it will entirely change the way in which you watch videos on your device. You really wonder why these features are not provided by YouTube. So going on, the next app is VLC Player. So it is like a little bit advanced player. So if you are using VLC on your PC and would like to have the same player on Android, then this is the go. And it has the same features. So you have volume. So you can swipe on the right side to increase or decrease the volume. You can swipe on the left side to change the brightness. You can swipe left or right to change the seek position. Next, you have some interesting options over here. You can play the video in slow motion, or you can increase the playback speed. This is something that you don't have on MX Player. So MX Player is still my #1 player, but I come to this when I want to watch a video in slow motion or in fast motion. So guys, the fourth app in our list is TrueCaller. So for people who don't know what it is, it's a live caller ID. You get information about your unknown callers. So guys, whenever you get a call from any unknown number, this app will pull out the information from the TrueCaller servers and try to get the name for you. So it's really helpful to block out the spam callers, and you actually have a blocking feature in this which will automatically block all the spam callers. So you have this common spammers list. Just enable this list to block all common spammers. So this is a database that gets updated every day, so you'll pretty much be out of the spammers reach. So using this app, you can definitely block most of the spammers, but no list is perfect, so some of your authentic calls might get blocked too, so keep that in mind. So let's move on to the next app. So the next app is Pixlr. I don't know what it is exactly called, I am calling it Pixlr. So anyways guys, this is one of the standard for photo editing. So let me just quickly edit some photo. So I have something nice over here, my CPU fan. So if we look at the bottom, we have all these options. The first set of options are very common. You have crop, rotate, and double exposure and so on. But the interesting stuff starts from down below over here. You have options like blur, smooth, sharpen, splash, focus, and so on. Additionally, you have brushes to write something on the image, and next you have filters. So you have all these filters, you can simply apply them just with a click. Next you have frames, and finally you can add some text on it. So that's a pretty good app, so do check that out. So the next thing on our list is CamScanner CS. So there's actually a referral program wherein which if you sign up using my link, I'll get like 200 MB of space. So if you can just sign up using that link. When you sign up, you get around 200 MB of space on the cloud. And let me just show you what it does. This is basically a document scanner. So let me just take a photograph So I have something over here, just click it. As you can see, I hope you can see, this is a Canon battery. So now it's processing the image and it will try to find out the area that we want to crop. Select that and it will now enhance the image. We have all these modes which will further enhance it. So guys, it's a must-have app on any device. So the next app on our list is here. So I guess it's from Nokia. These are the Here Maps for life. So it is very similar to the Google Maps, but you have option to download maps and you can search those offline maps. For about 1 GB of data, you can have the map of entire India. So that's really pretty cool. And you can, as I've said, you can search the offline maps and use the navigation even when you're offline. You don't need internet connection at all. You just download it initially and then you're good to go. So there you have it, the use app offline feature. So using this app, you can simply download the maps when you're online or when you're home using the Wi-Fi connection. And when you're out, you can simply use this offline mode and save a lot of mobile data. So guys, the next tab in our list is ES File Explorer, which is the best file explorer on Android. So though the name says ES File Explorer, it isn't really a file explorer, it is a lot more than that. So if we do a swipe from the right or if we go to the menu, we have all these options. So we have the option to browse the web, install apps, backup apps, watch videos, play music files, watch videos, play music, watch open images, backup and install applications, create a LAN, send files using the LAN or WAN. You can access the FTP connection. You have the system manager, you have SD card analyst. So the features are a lot. So do check out that app. So the next app in our list is Pushbullet. If you want to share information quickly between your phone and your Chrome browser, then this is definitely the app you must have. You can actually share information between a Android device and your Windows computer or a Chrome browser or the Firefox browser. It is basically a multi-platform application where you can use it to simply share information like videos, images, links, text and all. So there's a limit on the file size that you can send, but you can easily send text and images in unlimited quantity. Apart from that, you can mirror your notifications to your PC and you can mirror SMS. Whenever you get a message on your phone, you don't need to look into your phone. You can go to the Pushbullet extension and check out the SMS. So for that, you need to go to menu and select SMS and enable the SMS sync. So that will mirror your SMS to your PC. So there are a little security concerns, but still this is a must-have app. Next app in our list is Textra, which is a messaging app which has nice themes option, but the reason why I prefer this messaging app is it has the option to block messages. So if someone is annoying you with unwanted promos or simply spamming you, you can simply press and hold and go to menu and select blacklist. Then you'll never see those messages, but you'll be still receiving, it will be stored in a different section. To see the messages, simply press menu, go to settings, and there you have the blacklisted. Simply select that to see all your blacklisted messages. So guys, moving on, the next app in our list is Link Bubble. So when this app came into the market, it was not for free, but now it is for free. It really revolutionized the way we browse on our phones. So let me just quickly show you. Normally when you open up a link from any app or even from Google now, it will redirect you to a browser, whether it is a Firefox or a Chrome or anything else. But using Link Bubble, you have this chat head kind of a thing. See, there's the Link Bubble. So whenever you open a link, it will create a bubble and it will be loading in the side, and you can simply browse through your normal work. So once the web page is loaded, it will simply blink once, and when you select it, so you can see your web page on any screen. So there you have it. So it saves a lot of time, but as this Yunique is a low powered device, it might be a burden for the RAM and the CPU performance, but still it's a nice app to have. So going on next, this is my favorite music player, that is Power AMP, which is again not a free app, so you have to buy it. It's like for 50 rupees or $1, so do check that out. If you want a free alternative, you can always use Play Music. So on Power AMP you have a lot of options for equalizer and all, but Google Play doesn't have those kind of options. So anyway, the final app in our list is Google Keep. This is a very simple app designed by Google to create notes, share notes, create a to-do list, and so on. The best thing about this is it is very simple. It has nice material design, and then you can share these notes with anyone very simply. The best thing about this app is you have the nice material design, and then you can organize all your notes into categories, or you can add tags, and finally you can share these notes with anyone very easily. Let me quickly share this note. So all I need to do is enter some contact name and I'll get a suggestion, and when I click that, this note will be shared with that person. So I'll get a quick preview of the person's profile image. So it is really helpful, but do know that this is a very small kind of an app. You shouldn't be using it to store a lot of information. So let's get going. Yeah, I forgot to mention one another app. It is called as Touchpad, which is my favorite keyboard, and the best thing about that is it has a lot of gestures. So let me just quickly show you a demonstration. See, now over here I need to enter the phone number. So to enter phone number, we either just do a long press on this letters, or else go to the number pad and type the numbers. But using touchpad, it's very simple. Simply swipe the letters on which we have the numbers. So if I want to say type 9, I need to swipe up on O, and if I want 5, I need to swipe up on T, and the thing goes on. So it is very simple. And now if I want to remove a complete word, then I simply need to swipe from the back button over here. I guess it is called, anyway, I'll call it the back button. So simply swipe it like this and the last word will be removed. And next you have these symbols down below. To use them, again simply swipe down and they will be inserted. The main reason that I love this, apart from the gestures, is the clipboard. So here we have it, the clipboard. So whenever you try to copy something, it will be stored here, and it really saves a lot of time for me. So guys, there you have it, some of the must-have apps on Yu Yunique. If you think that I have missed out anything, do let me know by commenting below this video. And if you would like to give me some kind of a feedback, there's a link for that in the description. Just go to that link and give me your feedback. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel to see more videos just like this.